About Equator University of Science and Technology. Some of you might know it, some of you might not. But for those of you who do not know it, oh my God, you are missing out on a lot. The university is well equipped. It has everything you're going to look out for. We have a world standard of facilities here, of equipment here at Equator University of Science and Technology.
The skills lab that you have here, you can be able to practice on mannequins before you join hospital.
We offer programs in sciences and also non-science, direct science programs. We offer Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, Bachelor of Science in Public Health, but we also offer IT, that's information technology and computing programs, as well as business sciences like business administration, and we offer various options. We are located in Masaka City. Masaka is 120 kilometers south of Kampala. Make a good choice, join Equator, where we enable human capacity.